So you see a light come on in their front yard right there. And you see he came from their front yard and ran in front of their truck. And so basically there's some kind of light over here from a car or something in their front yard. And then you see him go into the street. Man. Okay, so he goes into the street right there. And then you see him slowly go across. And he stops right there. And then they cut their lights out. So it's really hard to see anything going on. It looks even worse on my phone trying to do it. And then you just see him 2 minutes later, he's back right in front of the truck dead.